Do you love Pinterest as much as I do? If you do, we are in pretty good company because I read the other day that 2 million folks pin on Pinterest each day. Hi friends, it's Gloria from Golden Bucket Farm. I'm the Jersey Lady One here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. I changed my Pinterest account recently from personal to business. Since then, Pinterest has been emailing me each week my top 3 pins as part of the analytics that they share. I was really surprised what the top pins were, and I think it's fascinating what people click on. So let's take a look at those winning pins. The first one is on my Farm and Country Living board. The pin shows how people are putting old freezers and fridges down into the ground and using them as root cellars. Root cellars can be used to store root crops like potatoes and beets and carrots, but also apples, pumpkins, squash, and cabbages. The website connected to this pin tells how they remove the working parts, modified their appliances, and talks about safe handling of Freon. For safety, the cellar needs to be made in such a way as to avoid accidental trapping of pets and children. Again, this pin is on my Farm and Country Living board. I moved it right up to the top of the board, and the title is Burying a Freezer. My boards are in ABC order on my homepage, so they are easy to find. If you're not that much into country living, my Living the Good Life board has lots of general helpful hints and products to make life easier. The second pin is on my Farmhouse Style board. This is a new board for me since that style has become so popular lately. The pin is called Built-in Refrigerator. There is no link, just a picture for inspiration of how to build a surround for your fridge from affordable stock cabinets. This one has pantry or cookbook shelves on one side, some storage over the top, and a beverage center on the other side with storage above for drinkware, a handy counter, and more storage below. This could work well for situations where a new fridge won't fit into the old space and needs to be placed on a blank wall. I have several other pins with the same idea on the Farmhouse Style board. They all show how a surround like this can make for a custom look at a much lower price point. The title of this pin again is Built-in Refrigerator, and I moved it right to the top of the board so it's easy to find. If Farmhouse Style is not your cup of tea, I also have a board called House, which features more general home decor and design ideas. The last pin is on my Gute Essen equals Good Food board. This is a huge board, oh man, which I hope to divide into sections soon. Yes. It is my busiest board, both for me pinning and others repinning. This popular pin is called Happy Tummy Chicken and Noodles. Isn't that great? It's real comfort food here, and it would be just lovely to take to a friend or a relative who is feeling under the weather for whatever reason. Or maybe it's you. When you click on the picture, you'll be taken to the site where the recipe is with helpful text and pictures. Yummy. It's easy to see why this recipe made it into the top 3 this week. Once more, it is on my Gute Essen equals Good Food board, and it's called Happy Tummy Chicken and Noodles. I have another foodie board called Quick Easy Recipes and Meal Planning that you might like to check out. The recipes there are for meals off the shelf from the freezer or using slow cooker, crock pot, instant pot, air fryer, bread maker, canning, meal planning, mixer, blender, food processor, and other kitchen helpers. Well, thanks so much for watching. Click the bell so you won't miss next week's top pins. There's a link to my Pinterest page in the description box below. And until we meet again, Happy pinning! Ta-ta for now!